Good evening. Today is Saturday, November 25, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 25, 2023, Saturday. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 25, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Saturday, November 25, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.